we're gonna jump in with the cargo first, and I'm gonna explain to you differences that I did in design in making these, and then we're gonna show you lots of body types. So we'll just start with me. All right, you guys, I have the small on. I usually wear the small in our denim. So I'm a 4, or these are the smaller are 4-6. I'm a 6, and this is what the small is looking like, okay? What we did on these, you guys, is we used a very, very high quality denim. This is not a pant. This is a denim material, okay? It's very stretchy, incredibly wonderful, and it's washed with this. I'm gonna try to hold one up. Maybe girls can grab a pair of denim for really good cargos for me. All right, we also put, there's quote unquote belt loops on these. They can be belt loops or they can be pull on loops, okay? If you have, thank you. Let me show you this wash a little bit. We wash these out to give you like a really cool dimensional look in the denim. Can you guys see that okay? I want to try to show you because these are like $1,000,000, you guys. We have our classic, our stand, you know what we've been doing, our pull-on elastic waistline. We did these aged zippers. You see that? This is a functional zipper, but it's not going anywhere. It's a fake zipper. It's a real zipper, but it's a fake pocket. We added a lot of details. So this is an actual functional snap pocket. Okay, the cargo pockets are real cargo pockets. And let me see what else I can show here. Okay, this again, this is an aged zipper. Sorry, you guys. Really cool detail. We spent a lot of time on these details. It does zip, but like I said, it doesn't go anywhere. It's just really for looks. But it's a really cool aged zipper. And again, you guys, the wash on here, we have this faux fly. Okay, made it look real, but it is a pull-on pant. Here's these pull-on loops. Single-handedly. So we added belt loops. If you want the belt loops, to use them as belt loops, or if you want them just to tug on your jeans, these are great. There's our little Grace and Lace logo washed into there. Really cool design features on these, you guys. Cargos are really the top of the trend right now, and we really nailed it on this color and the wash and the fit. So fit wise for these, you guys, I apologize. I know you're probably asking questions. I would say these are very similar to our distressed denim. So probably the size that you wear in if you've purchased our distressed denim before, I would definitely say these fit similar to there, but it is a very nice washed denim quality. It's not a pant quality. It is a washed colored denim. So really cool, great back pockets on them, really flattering, you guys. Again, has that comfortable stretchy waistband. You eat too much pasta, you're just fine. So we had pasta yesterday, and all the girls were like, "Get me in my stretchy Grace and Lace pull-ons." Okay, the shirt. I knew that was gonna come out, you guys. My social media team is not gonna like me. This is a sneak peek. This is not on this launch, but it is coming in a launch soon. So just look past that. But I thought this is how I'd wear this. You guys can kind of see. With the denim, with the one of our white. We also wear this a lot with our white tee. I know we're sold out in a lot of colors, you guys. We are remaking that. We're remaking them I started remaking them the day we launched them because you guys bought like 1,000 in 24 hours, okay? So these are, make sure to always check our fit and care size tab on the listing, on all of our listings. It doesn't matter if it's a top, if it's a bottom, above the description there's always a fit and care tab, and on that tab has all the information regarding fit. So we want to make sure that you guys are able to review that and able to tell what size best fits you. So pull-up loops we added. Like I said, these are fake pockets in here. The reason why we did this, I know some of you are probably like, I want real pockets. We wanted to give you a really clean flat front. What happens when you do a diagonal pocket like this is it releases the fabric forward, and then you can get a lot of bunchiness and bagginess here in this region, and we just didn't feel like it looked good. So these are fake pockets right here to give you a nice flat and flush front area right here. So, okay, Jillian, I am wearing the size small, and our size small in this is a 4-6 in these denims. So let's bring out, what do we have? Michelle's in an extra large. I think I got a whole, sorry. Wait, let's go down from extra small, sorry. Michelle, I have 2 Michelles too, to make it even more complicated. I'm just gonna show you a couple of different body types in these. So we'll start at, here's Michelle. Michelle's one of our designers, you guys. She worked a ton on, she and Britt worked a ton on these cargos. She's in the extra small. Come this way just a tiny bit. Yeah, okay, really great fit, nice high. We consider it a mid-rise, but it's high for a mid-rise. We want to get you kind of nice and like that great feeling of kind of being nice and flat and sucked in. So the pockets are in a really great flattering location. We made sure that wasn't too high or too low. Okay. We positioned that to really look and feature that cargo quality the best, but put it in a great location for there. So extra small on her. Length is great. Of course, she's 5'6". 5'5". And again, she's in the extra small. So size 0 to 2 on this for her. That's what Michelle is in. You guys, yes, and you guys, I just saw, can we see an extra large? Extra large is coming. Let's go to, you guys saw me in the small. We'll go to the medium. Tanya. All right, she's coming out me. Ooh, she's got the bamboo wrap up on too. Okay, look at this. Sometimes we'll let them style themselves. So this is a great look, you guys. Just a graphic tee. And she's got the cargos on. She's in the size medium. And she usually wears a medium in our denim, just so you guys know. How tall are you?
5'6".
Okay, 5'6". Can you guys see down here? Good on the length, looks great. You guys, you can dress up these cargo. Big trend is to dress them up with heels or wedges. You can dress up the look that way and go with one of our, like our camis underneath, or you can go super casual like this and dress it down. So, let's see, you're in the medium. We'll talk about the bamboo in a second. Let's finish on the cargos really quick. And then we have Michelle. Okay, Michelle is in our large, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what we did, you guys. This material is very, very stretchy. And in our grading, the way that we grade, typically Michelle wears an extra large in our jeans, but she is in the large. Scoot this way just a little bit so they both can see, okay? She's actually in the large in these, okay? The grading as you go up in sizes, make sure, again, you guys check the sizing online. She looks fabulous on these, okay? So she is 5'11", and this is the large on her. Length is great, you guys, and you can see, if you're shorter, you can roll. I think we've got some people showing these rolled maybe in a little bit, or maybe the other ones rolled. 5'11" in the large. So that means make sure you guys are following the sizing, because she's, what are you, 14?
14, 16.
Okay, 14, 16. And I think our extra large is a 16, 18. So for those of you that are between an extra large, you might, or large and extra large, you might be able to go down the large. The rest of you, like size extra small, small and medium, I would stick with the size you typically are in our denim. This just, the stretch on the larger sizing is able to accommodate a little bit more.